Hello friends, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. And I am here to invite you to join me for a free 7-day yoga challenge starting January 2022. This 7-day yoga challenge is completely free, no strings attached. This is my gift to you. Also, this challenge is open to all levels, including complete beginners to yoga. Each class will have a different focus as well as a different goal. So whether you're looking to build strength, tone up, become more flexible, improve spinal health, lose weight, relax, feel good, improve posture, and balance, this challenge has something for everyone. Our first day of movement begins on Sunday, January 2nd at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and our final day is on Saturday, January 8th. Each class will be made available to you at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. However, you can drop in whenever you can. On January 1st, you can expect to receive a quick welcoming video welcoming you to the challenge. So there will be no movement on this day. Instead, I'll just be dropping by to say hi and checking in to see how you're doing. I invite you to sign up to the challenge by visiting yogawithrachelmarie.com. When you sign up, you will receive an email welcoming you to the challenge, along with some free yoga resources. Also, by signing up, you will receive an email from me for each day of our challenge. And in this email, there will be a link to the practice, a brief description of what the class is about, as well as our weekly schedule. So I do encourage you to stick with the schedule as best as you can. However, I do understand that life happens. So if you miss a practice or two, it's no big deal. Drop in whenever you can. You can also practice in the morning, into the afternoon, and into the evening. For a few of the practices, you may want to start a little bit earlier on in the day, as they can be a little bit more energizing. And finally, go through this challenge at a pace that feels good for you. The intention of this yoga challenge is to encourage us to engage in daily movement for an entire week. So not only are we experiencing the amazing benefits of adopting a regular yoga practice, but this challenge can also help set the tone for 2022. Finally, subscribe to Yoga with Rachel and also ring the notification bell so that way we can stay connected and so that way you're also notified whenever a new class becomes available. Once again, visit yogawithrachelmarie.com to sign up for the challenge. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop them down below in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So, are you in? Let me know down below by saying yes in the comments with your favorite emoji. I will see you on January 1st for a quick check-in, and then our challenge officially begins January 2nd. See you then, and take good care. Namaste.